Okay, so where's the? Okay, so I need to share my screen. There we go. So, I don't know why I have this timer on top that's saying that the meeting will end in a minute, but we'll see. So, if we place one end of a wormhole in a static place and the other one on the moving, and you enter through the static place and get out of the moving, you will find yourself in the past. But if you enter through the moving and get out of the static one after you wander here for 30 minutes, here you end up in the future because this relative to this is moving faster for time when this is moving slower through time because this is static and this is moving. So basically, that's how time machines could work if they were possible. So some fun facts. Wormholes, the wormhole name actually comes from actually earthworms because if we have an apple, the worm would go like that. This is not a shortcut. But to get a shortcut, he will go straight through it like a worm. So that's why there are wormholes. And for GPS satellites, they are focused differently because they're moving fast, which is special relativity, and in weaker gravity because they're far away from Earth. Here's the gravity that you asked about. This is general relativity. And engineers must correct for both, or GPS will be off by kilometers per day. This is something like time zones. It's kind of like that analogy. And about the person I already said. So I planned a discussion because we kind of promised you in the flyers that we send out that there will be a discussion at the end. This is topic. If anyone's interested, you can just um, click in this topic. If time travel were possible, should we be allowed to change past events? Um, if anyone has any opinions, thoughts, they could just share them.
I think kind of many things I say about that. But
You can share them. It's fine. Like
okay, but there are only three people. I don't think there could be a debate in just three people, which where one is only host.
I know, yeah. It's kind of like I know a lot of people joined for the workshop. I know a lot of people who joined for the workshop. I don't know why so little appear in the sessions. Like,
I think the glitch which happened earlier in the last session, just we just that handed automatically. It is because of the free tier of the Zoom. In that, I think more than three participants, if they are there, you can't hold a meeting for more than 40 minutes. That's why
mm.
the timer was there up there.
Yeah, okay. Well, sorry about that. I
Yeah.
didn't know it. But still doesn't like why so less people join? Like, well, still
I,
the topic is kind of interesting. If you can just share your thoughts, I can like try
like,
and
yeah, definitely I can share. Like, yeah, as you have mentioned earlier, that wormholes are the gateway to the time travel. And but as we know, and I have read everywhere in novels and even in movies, how that wormholes can be so like the things which we have only and in theories and in movies, how we can make it like time machine or something like and collapse it in a machine to have an application of time travel basically. How you can have something so easily like wormhole are the kind of thing like nobody knows about, and they are
yeah.
the only gateways to the time travel. As far as I know, I don't know many things about that. What do you think about this?
Everything we know about wormholes and white holes basically is just numbers and hypothetically speaking. Nobody has seen them, found them, photographed them, or anything. It is just
Mm.
pure theory. We don't have any
Yeah.
proof other than numbers. another equations to Schwarzschild's equation, like we said earlier with she just found another solution to it that led to the discovery that there may be like a parallel region of a black hole. It's just that, like nothing else can prove them. And for the question that we have here about the debate topic, the discussion topic, is I think kind of like the same. We don't know about time enough to be bothering with it. Like time is such an impressive thing. We don't know anything about it. You think you know, like yeah, the clock ticks, yeah, an hour, 60 minutes, but it's not enough. It's just the surface. Time is such an
Actually,
unpredictable
time
thing,
was
and
there
to be
before
messing with it,
mankind. It is older than mankind. Yeah.
it's just yeah, it's just
Since the
so
beginning of Big Bang, it's there.
yeah, it is, and it's Asian, and it's very difficult to understand, and we don't know enough about it to be messing with it. So if the question is, should we be allowed to change past events? I think no, because it is so beyond us that we shouldn't bother with. Like if you have a computer and you don't understand anything about computers and your computer got a bug, would you just go search in the computer particle by particle where the bug is? Because no, because you won't understand the computer how it works. So the same is with time. You wouldn't just start changing past events when you don't even understand what time is. So that's what I think about it.
It's really kind of interesting perspective of you. Yeah.
Yeah, so
Yeah, I do also think that the past events are should not be never actually nobody could should interfere with them.
yeah, yeah. So Vivek, do you have anything to like add? Any thoughts? Oh, okay. So since on the I on the flyers we also kind of promised like quizzes to test your knowledge, so to say. I prepared also a quiz, which is like kind of like a Kahoot game. I don't know. Have you played Kahoot?
No, sorry, I have not played it.
Well, in Bulgaria, since I'm from Bulgaria, we play it kind of a lot in school. It's very beloved by students. It's kind of like a quiz game, and you have places first, second, third. But I mean, there's so little people in this room, and I believe um, only you are truly here. I don't know if there's a point in playing it, but if you want, I can. You can play it alone, I guess.
Yeah, yeah, you can sure we can play this.
Yeah, okay, great. So you would have to go on a separate device. If you're, for example, on your laptop, you can go on your phone and write kahoot.it.
Okay, let me do it.
Basically, if you write here, I don't know if you can see my screen,
It
should
is
be able
asking for
to.
a
If
game
you write,
pin, I think.
sorry?
A game pin. It is asking for a game pin. Kahoot.it. It
Yeah,
is
if you
asking
write
for a
here kahoot.it, and you should see this.
yeah, I'm seeing this. It's asking for a game pin. What it is.
Yeah, I will give you yes, yes. So here I'll give it to so just into the so basically it's just questions and on your phone, if you're on your phone, I don't know, you will have these four blocks that you see here. They're basically the answers. You will have to look at the screen I'm sharing that there's the question and the answers. And on your phone, you will have these four squares. You will have to click the right answer. And it is for speed and for how correct you can answer, basically. And if there are more people, it's like a competition. You have first
They
place, second
do
place,
these
third place, a
shapes
whole scale.
corresponds to the
But
right answers. Is that
sorry?
so? Do the shapes corresponds to right answers to the answers on there of the question?
Yeah.
Okay.
You see the answers and you have the first question. There you have the right answer or the answer you'll see. Just you can write this pin or you can scan the QR code. Okay, great. So I'm not gonna wait for anyone else. I'm just gonna start.
Okay. I think because of your image, I couldn't see the option first and third. What are they written there? What have like in red and
But
yellow? You are
are you
interfere.
able to see my screen? Like, what do you see?
Your screen is visible, but because of your what can I say? You are visible to me. Actually, your image, your
Ah,
video
yeah,
is
yeah, I understand. Yeah, I need to turn my
interfering with
camera off.
the options right there. And the
This, like
hair's
that.
times
Can
is
you,
up.
if
Yeah,
I
it's good.
remove my
It's good.
camera,
It's
you,
good. It's good.
okay,
Yeah.
great.
Why am I saying blackboard easier to observe with us? Oh, it's incorrect.
Well, it's supermassive, which is basically because of its size. Like the shadow, like I explained earlier, we can't see it, but the particles around it, these are the parts that we kind of like emit radiation and that the EHT telescope can actually sense.
Okay.
Hmm.
Oh, I have not chosen any.
Yeah, that was probably because
How
something
it
with the
happened?
connection was off, I guess. But yeah,
Yeah.
it's basically a global network of observatories. It's not a single telescope.
No. Okay.
Yeah, well, it's
It's
petatypes of
correct.
raw data. Like it's basically you
Yeah.
can take a photo. It's data that you have to develop, and it's a really long and complicated process.
Is the option not got selected there?
Well, I don't know why is that. Like
I
you
don't.
have to click on your phone, I guess. I don't know what's
Actually,
wrong.
I clicked there, but it didn't got get selected actually. Don't know why. So
Hmm.
moving forward, are white holes proven to exist? No, they
You
are
can
not actually
just
alien.
say, oh, yeah, okay. Yeah, it came through.
Why who contributed to the wormhole concept? I think I have to do chat GPT for this. Contributed to the wormhole.
Yeah, correct.
Hang on.
This is a bit harder. It's about the exotic matter that was placed inside non-traversable wormholes. Yeah,
I
great.
got no, not this by you only. Yeah, the answer is it's just transition.
Yeah, well, basically that's because of the budget, like we talked about earlier. It's basically when you're traveling near light speed, you're wasting your budget on space, well, time, you don't have budget to move through time, so you're basically slowing down, but you're not stopping completely. But it's a really good guess because of the clocks, the hand of the clocks.
Yeah, one more time, sir.
Yeah. Well, yeah, it's when you place one thing stationary and the one moving, you have time dilation. You basically time is kind of complicated
I
there.
just
The
chose
one,
that it's the fourth option, but time was up. I just messed it
yeah,
up.
yeah.
It's okay.
When we play this in school, I always get time. My time is always up, and I can't answer it.
How to relatively affects impact system. Oh, incorrect. Is affected by relativity. Is that they require time correction for us? Gravity effects. Okay.
Well, basically because they are so far away from Earth that they are not affected that much by gravity, which means time moves different for them rather
Yeah,
than
yeah.
here on Earth because the difference is
It's,
big. And they're
yeah,
moving really fast, and gravity is not affected by them because they're really far away from the Earth. So these
yeah.
questions have no right or wrong answers. Basically, they don't bring any points. I wanted to find out how you found the presentation because I don't know how to make the next one. Should I be more advanced or kind of like that? Yeah, I just want your opinion so I know how to do better on the next one. Yeah,
It's
okay, thank
easy.
you.
It's interesting. Yeah. It's definitely interesting.
Thank you, yeah. I just hope next time more people join.
Yeah, they will actually. I think it's kind of more intermediate.
Yeah. Do you want next time to be more advanced or
I
how do you feel
think
about that?
I think
Yeah.
you like collectively, if you say for yours perspective, for yours, I think you should be at this intermediate level only. Because if there will be a large amount of audience there, they should actually get what you are trying to say to them. So intermediate
Yeah.
is a good level for the presentation. But personally, yeah, I will like advanced because I'm kind of more interested in this kind of topics.
Yeah, okay, great. Thank you. I really appreciate that you joined actually and you're able to like we kind of can discuss topics and yeah. If more people joined, it would be more fun, but yeah. Yay.
I won in the
I was
race
in the
where
race where
nobody was running.
nobody was running. Well, yeah, so this was for today basically. Um, thank you. Thank you for your attention and for being able to like discuss and talk and actually answer my questions. Um, so yeah, I hope seeing you next time.
I wanna ask
and
something. Are you
I
both
will
English
be
field or something? Uh,
well. I am a student basically. I am in currently going to 10th grade in Bulgaria, and don't really have any like professional or anything like that, but I am really interested in astronomy overall. Like I go to the observatory and have really nice watches. My dad also is really interested in astronomy, so we kind of like, yeah, I'm not a professional, but I do my research and I am interested in it. Yeah.
that's really great of you. Actually, since childhood, I am also interested in very much space science and astronomy. As far I could remember, the first dream I had since childhood is to becoming an astronaut, but I couldn't be there. And currently, I'm doing majors in my computer science here in India. And
Oh, that's cool. Yeah.
yeah, it's really kind of interesting field out there.
It is, but it's very complicated. I mean, when I was little, I also wanted to be going to this field, but I understood early on that a lot of math, a lot of physics, and that's not really my side. Like math is not really my strong subject, so to say.
Okay, but you don't have
Yeah,
to be in so much math. I think something relatively you can do in your field. Like if you choose something like in another space you want to move on in another domain, something related to that is even in some kind of with your expertise or skills you can contribute there.
yeah, yeah. Well, thank you. So thank you
Yeah,
for joining, and I really loved talking with you. So yeah, I guess this will be
thank
for
you. Thank you.
today. I will
It was
be
it
also
was really nice meeting you.
yeah, thank you. So I will be also mentoring on the 23rd of April. That is, we will talk about types of civilizations, the Kardashev scale, and interesting stuff like that. I hope more people join. So yeah, thank you for joining, and until the
Okay.
23rd.
Thank you very much. No problem.
Bye.
Bye.